Alright, here's the day 2 update. Snow on the side of the house. I can't tell right now because I don't remember, but I think it was above the light. And it's been raining all day here. Work was fine. It's now 4:30 or so I'm home for the day. Let's see, yesterday the snow over here was about 15 inches. And now it's probably about a foot still. Driveway's starting to look a little bit more like gravel again. But there's still a crap load of snow. Some may even say an ass load. Although I don't know how you'd get this much snow in your ass. If you did, you're more of a, I'm not going to say man, than I am. Anyway, so lots of rain today. It's 41 degrees, and it's rained all day long. And we still have a crap load of snow. And I'm not shoveling that until all the snow, well, I'm not shoveling that. I refuse. I've done it too many times. So, we'll just have to wait and see how long it takes to go away. I will be updating this daily until it's gone. Alright, thank you for playing.